for brush. Now let's go and make some art. Drawn paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. I'm here. Hi. Hello. We're going to draw an insect. A bee. A buzzy bee.
Welcome to Artie's show, little artists.
Are you ready? Go and get your art materials.
I can see Artie's creative mind is working. It's always fun to start with a blank canvas.
Yeah. Let's draw your buzzy bee. Yeah. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Okay. Let's start. Let's draw a big circle towards the top of the page. Are you following along, little artists? If Artie goes too fast, you can stop the video and catch up. Good start, Artie. A big circle. Now we're going to draw two big oval-shaped eyes. Left eye with the pupil coloured in towards the bottom. Now let's do the right eye, but make it a little bit smaller. That's right. Try and get the same shape. Perfect. And then let's do the pupil and colour it in black. Very good start. Now, let's do a smiley face. Big, curvy smiley face. Then do the opening of his mouth. And, oh, you're doing some teeth? Okay, flies don't have teeth, but we can do anything when we're doing art. Let's do two rosy cheeks. One on the right. And a smaller one on the left.
This is fantastic. I can't believe he can do that.
I can't believe it either, Mikey. He's so creative. It's time for the bee's body. Let's do a big, bulbous, oval shape. Make sure you connect it together. It's time for wings. Two wings on the left. That's great. And two wings on the right. Let's do some tiny little legs. That's great, Artie. 1, 2, 3, 4 little tiny fly legs. We'll colour them in black. Shape break. Okay, let's have a shape break.
Hello, little artists, and welcome to today's shape break. I'm Louis. I'm going to teach you today about this shape. Of course, you know what it's called. It's a heart shape. Oh, it's one of my favorite shapes there is. I really love it. Love. Heart. See what I did? No. Okay. Well, anyway, hearts have no sides. They're really very circular. There's a left side and usually pretty much identical right side, and that makes that lovely rounded heart shape. We see that shape in some fruits, like, for example, strawberries are sort of heart-shaped. You see one up here. And, well, peaches as well. There we go. And sometimes chocolates come in a heart-shaped box, because hearts are the symbol of love. That's right. You know, Artie, the other day, he came up to me and he said, I love you, Louie, with all of my art. See, he said art, not heart, because he's an art... Okay. So what did the dinosaur say to his girlfriend? He said, you make my heart soar. It's hot, dinosaur, heart, soar. Okay, one last one. What did the mushroom say to its girlfriend on Valentine's Day? He said, I have so much room for you in my heart. Mushroom. Okay, well, anyway, my favourite shape. I really love it. love heart, you see. I'll go.
I love you, Artie.
Okay.
He got embarrassed. Okay, let's do the little funny things that come out of the top of the fly's head. Did you know, Artie, that's how the flies smell, touch, and even hear? Oh, you knew that. You're so smart, Artie. And the right one, spirally shape, and then colour in the end black. It's looking really good, don't you think, Betty and Mikey? They're lost for words. Now let's do the black stripes on the body of our busy bee. Are you drawing along, little artists? If you're falling behind, don't worry. You can pause the video and catch up with Artie. That's the second stripe. How many stripes are we going to do, Artie? 4. Okay. Here's stripe number 3. Nice big thick black stripes. And then the final stripe, stripe number 4. You're finished. Well, he looks really good, but he needs some colour. He needs yellow. Colour him in now. You're all finished, Artie? He looks so good. I love his little pink cheeks and his black stripes and his little red mouth. It's another masterpiece, Artie. Congratulations!
Goodbye for now, little artists.
It's time to say goodbye, little artists. I hope you all have an arty day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.